Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. Basically, enable and disable the sound. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the speaker icon. This is the sound icon. And if you want to, let's say, enable the silent mode, so you want to disable all of the sounds, you need to tap on this icon a couple of times until it looks like this, like the speaker icon crossed out, and you will see the mute message at the bottom of the screen. That means that the sounds on the watch are disabled now. So that's how you enable the silent mode. And if you want to bring back the sound, so you want to disable the silent mode, you simply tap on this icon. You will see the sound message and the icon of the speaker with the sound waves will appear, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and also your sound should be back on your watch. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.